Joy Gurudev, Joy Ma.
Joy Gurudev.
Gurudev, while doing the Mohini sadhana, I got distracted from the mantra, and the only thing that I could see was Ma Radha Rajrajeshwari, a beautiful ashram devi, and the mantra Shri Radha kept playing in my head and soon in my heart. So what is the connection between our ashram devi and Ma Mohini?
There's a beautiful story when Lord Vishnu took the form of Mohini. Everyone was mesmerized. Even Lord Brahma, even Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva had a child, Harihar, Paswami. He was born out of Harihar. And every deity wanted to make love to Mohini. Every deity was running behind Mohini. But there was only one deity who looked at Mohini as his daughter. That deity was the sun. So Mohini looked at the sun and blessed the sun that I will be born to you, not 1,000 but thousands of Mohini will be attracted to me. Taking that beauty form, I will be born to you. So the time went and Lord Vishnu forgot about it. So when the time of Krishna Avatar came in Dwapar Yuga, so Lord Vishnu Narayan was thinking that I have to be born to Yashoda also, and I have to be born to Devaki Ma also. And while he was thinking about it, the sun God was incarnated on the earth, and he met Naradji, and he told Naradji that you remind God that he has to be born to me as a daughter which will mesmerize thousands of Mohini, and he has to be born as a Mohini avatar to me. So Narad Muni appeared. He said, God, this you promised this guy. He said, now this is the third problem. Now I have to be born to two sets of parents, and this is the third set of parents that you're asking me to be born. So he said, let me think about it. So he got up and he was walking in his courtyard, and there was a pillar, and on the pillar there was a gemstone, red gemstone, and he looked at himself in that gemstone and he got mesmerized. So we, don't show mirror to Krishna. We only show it once after his Shringar is done. And he looked at himself and he got mesmerized. So he went running to Lakshmiji's chamber and brought a makeup set with one of her chunni cloth. And he stood in front of that gemstone, the ruby stone and the red ruby, and he started decorating himself. And when he started decorating himself, he tied the ponytails to the curly hair, and he put all the female decorations. He put a crown, and then he took that chunni and he put that chunni on that. And as soon as he put the chunni, that form came to life. Wow. And Lord Narayan just went down to the feet of that form, that female form, and started pressing her feet. So that form said, what are you doing, Lord? I am your image, and you are pressing my feet, you are worshipping me. He said that you are my image, you are me, but you are such a form that I will worship you always. If people want to get me, they have to call me along with you. And he said that you go ahead of me, and I will come behind you, and you will be so beautiful that you will mesmerize thousands of Mohinis, and you will be born to the sun, incarnation of sun. And then he was born to Devaki, and then the story is known to the world, brought up by Yashoda, and then again he returned to Devaki. So in this transition, he had two mothers, but when Radha was born to the sun, that is how he had three parents in the same lifetime. So Radha and Krishna are one and the same, and Radha is the Mohini multiplied by thousands. So when you do Mohini sadhana and you have known our ashram goddess, that is how your connection happens.
Thank you so much. Hari Om Tat Sat.